Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to work in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular word processing software. It comes as a part of Microsoft Office package. It is usually used for preparing documents, reports, question papers, typing essays, typing stories, essays, etc. Now let's see how to prepare all these documents in Microsoft Word. So this is the Microsoft Word window and this white part is called work area. And here on the top you can see different tabs available, and each tab have different commands, and every tab have commands that are divided into groups. See here, home tab have different groups, clipboard, font, paragraph, style, and every group has set of related commands also. For example, here you see changing the style of text and all, it is under font group. See, changing the paragraph styles and all, it's under paragraph group. So as a beginner, first let's see what is font group and what are the uses of different commands available in font group. So for typing the text in work area, you just left click here on the page. So let me type some text here. I will give some sample text here. So when the text reach at the end of the line, you see it will automatically come down. See here, I am just typing something data. See. Okay, now I have copied some data. Let me paste it here. So from here, if you want to start a new line, you can just press on enter button. So the blinking cursor will come down. See, each time you press enter, it will come down. If you want to go back, backspace. Again, I am pasting the same text here. Okay. Now, if you want to bring the next sentence down, just click here and press enter. So it will come down. See. From here, if you click here and press enter, from there it will start a new line. So wherever you click and press enter, it will start another line. If by mistake you click this enter button and if you want to go back to the previous line, just click on the starting of that new line and press backspace key on the keyboard. See here, I am clicking here and click backspace, it will go back to that line, previous line. Again here and go back, it will. Again I am clicking here and press backspace, it will go back. So next, let us change the styles of this font. Okay, now I am going to select this paragraph. See here, this is called font styles. You can scroll it down and see different styles are given here. So which one you want, that you can select. See here. See the changes. So next, see the changes. So this is about the font. Next, I just want to increase the size of this text. So select and come here. This is called font size. Here click this arrow mark and select the number. So as you select greater number, the text also will become bigger. So also here you have 2A written here, that is increasing text and decreasing text. So if you click this, it will decrease. And here we have increasing button, click this, it will increase the size of text. Next is change case command. So here select the text here, don't forget to select the text. Select the text and here you see if I give first sentence case, the starting of the sentence will be capital. And if you give lowercase, every letter, the starting and all, everything will be in a lowercase. Also you can select uppercase. and here we have capitalize each word. See, the starting of each letter is capital, but I am going to select only sentence case. So the starting letter will be capital and rest of the letters will be in small letter. And here you see clear all formatting. Whatever changes you made for the text, if you select and click this, all the formatting will be removed. This is too small. I will just increase the size. Okay. And here you see down we have BIU. B means bold. It will make your text bold. See the changes. Select the text and here click B. See, now the text became bold. If you again click, it will be inactive. And next, italics. Just click italics. See the change. And here we have underline. See, and here we have different types of underline available. Double lines, dotted lines. See here. Next, strike through. If you select some text and active this strike through button, see here, a line will pass through the text. So this is called strike through. So here we have subscript and superscript. Subscript means the text will be below the line. See, superscript means the text will be above the line. Usually we use this superscript and subscript maths or chemistry question papers. So next we have text effect available here. Just select the paragraph and give any effect for the text. See here. So this is text effect. Next, after text effect, we have highlighter option here. If any important point is there, you can just select the text and give any color as highlighter. Just select the text and give any color as highlighter. See? And if you want to remove this highlighter, again select the text and give no color. Don't forget to select the text. And also you can change the color of each letters. See here, font color. If you select this, see the color of text is changing. See. And if you want more colors, you can click here, more colors. Also gradient colors are available here. If you select this gradient color, double shades will be there. See? Double shade will be there. I will just increase the size and I will show you. See here dark and here light color. So this is about the font group. So this font group is very important. If you would like to prepare any assignments project very attractively, you can use this font group. So this is all about this video. So in the next video, I will explain about paragraph group. If you find this video is useful, subscribe and press bell button. Thank you.